हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। तो कैसे हैं आप सभी। आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 8th की साइंस की बुक क्यूरियोसिटी का लेसन 6 प्रेशर विंड स्टॉर्म एंड साइक्लोन्स पार्ट को पढ़ेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 5 करवाया था। तो यहाँ पे ये देखिए, स्टार्टिंग में इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, उनको पढ़ते हैं। वाई आर विंड स्ट्रोंगर ऑन सम डेज देन ऑन अदर्स। इसका आंसर है winds are stronger when the air pressure difference is greater. Second, why are water tanks usually placed at height? इसका आंसर है water tanks are placed high to provide water pressure. Third, can air pressure really crush us? इसका आंसर है no, our body's internal pressure balances air pressure. Fourth, what causes storms and cyclones? If the earth stopped rotating, would cyclones still form? इसका आंसर है storms and cyclones form due to pressure and temperature differences. Without earth's rotation, cyclones would not form properly. तो यहाँ पे पूरा लेसन दिया गया है। आप इसको रीड करना चाहें तो यहाँ से ये इसको देख के रीड कर सकते हैं। तो अब हम इसके क्वेश्चंस करते हैं। Why do fall leaves rise in the air on trees bent when a strong wind blows? इसका आंसर है a force exerted by the wind creates wind pressure which causes fallen leaves to rise in the air and the bending or swinging of trees when a strong wind blows. Next question. Can the shape or size of the straps makes a difference provided both bags are equally heavy? इसका आंसर है when we carry a bag we feel its weight because of the force of gravity acting on our shoulders. The weight of the bag with narrow straps acts on a smaller area of our shoulder, whereas the weight of the bags with broad straps is spread over a large area of our shoulders. Although the both bags have equal weight, we feel more comfortable carrying a bag with straps. Broad straps reduce the pressure exerted by the bag on the shoulder. Next question. Why are overhead tanks kept at a height? B. Suppose you are living on the second floor of a three-story building and an overhead tank is placed on the top floor. Will you or your friend on the first floor receive a more powerful stream of tap water? Give reason. इसका आंसर है A. Overhead tanks are placed at a height so that the pressure in the steps is increased, resulting in a good stream of water from the taps. B. Pressure are exerted by water increases with the increase of height of the liquid column. Suppose I live on the second floor of the building that has three floors and the overhead tank is installed on the top floor. The pressure of water and hence the power of water stream from the taps will depend on the height of the overhead tank above the taps of the second floor. My friend living on the first floor will have a longer distance from the taps to the overhead tank, which means the height of the water column above his taps will be more compared to my water taps on the second floor. Therefore, my friend will receive more powerful stream of water tap. Question 4. Why do water sprout out like a fountain from leaking points or holes in water pipes? इसका आंसर है water in pipes. Water in water pipes has long water columns. As the water tanks to which the water pipes are connected are placed at heights, the pressure inside the pipes is high. The water exerts pressure in all sides of the container, including the bottom and the wall of the pipe. When the water exerting pressure on the sides finds a narrow opening like a hole or a leaking joint, it spurts like a fountain. Question 5. What happens when an inflated balloon is kept without closing its mouth? इसका आंसर है the inflated balloon has air inside which exerts pressure on the wall of the balloon resulting in expansion of the balloon on all sides. The elastic wall of the balloon exerts equal but opposite pressure on air. When we keep the inflated balloon without closing its mouth, the air from within the balloon escapes through its mouth from higher pressure inside the balloon to the lower pressure outside the balloon. Question 6. Does the difference in the air pressure have anything to do with the formation of winds? इसका आंसर है air moves from a high pressure region to a low pressure region. Moving air is called wind. Thus, it is the difference in air pressure that result in the formation of wind. अब एक्सरसाइज वाले क्वेश्चंस करते हैं टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट लुक एट द फिगर carefully. Vessel R is filled with water. When pouring of water is stopped, the level of water will be dash. इसका आंसर है D equal in all three vessels. Second, a rubber sucker M is pressed on a flat smooth surface and an identical sucker N is pressed on a rough surface. Which statement is correct? इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन C. M will stick but N will not stick. Third, a water tank is placed on the roof of a building at a height h to get water with more pressure on the ground floor. One has to. इसका आंसर होगा A. Increase the height h at which the tank is placed. Fourth, two vessels A and B contain water up to the same level. PA and PB are the bottom pressure at the bottom and FA and FB are the force exerted by the water at the bottom. तो इसका आंसर होगा B. PA equal to PB but FA is lesser than FB. Reason: pressure depend on the height of the water which is the same in both vessels. Force depend on the area. Vessel B has the larger bottom area. Second, state whether the following statements are true or false. First, air flows from a region of higher pressure to a region of lower pressure. ये true है. Second, liquid exert pressure only at the bottom of the container. ये false है. Third, weather is stormy at the eye of a cyclone. ये false है. Fourth, during a thunderstorm, it is safer to be in a car. ये true है. Third question, figure A shows a boy lying horizontally and figure B shows the boy standing vertically on a loose sand bed. In which case does the boy sink more in sand? Give reason. इसका आंसर है the boy sinks more when standing vertically. Reason है pressure is equal to force divided by area. While standing on the area of contact is smaller, so greater pressure is exerted. Therefore, he sinks more into the sand. Fourth question, an elephant stands on 4 feet if the area covered by 1 foot is 0.25 meters square. Calculate the pressure exerted by the elephant on the ground if weight is 20,000 Newton. तो यहाँ पे आप इसको देख के सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Fifth, there are two boats A and B. Boat A has the base area of 7 meters square and 5 persons are seated in it. Boat B has a base area of 3.5 meters square and 3 persons are seated in it. Each person has a weight of 700 Newton. Find out which boat will experience more pressure on its base and how much. इसका आंसर होगा बोट A. यहाँ पे इसका आंसर देख के आप कर सकते हैं. Question 6. Would lightning occur in air and clouds but good conductors of electricity? Give reason. इसका आंसर है no, lightning would not occur in air and clouds were good conductor of electricity. इसका reason है electric charge would flow continuously through the air and clouds preventing the accumulation of large charges required for lighting. Seventh, what will happen to the two identical balloons A and B when water is filled into the bottle up to a certain height? Will both balloons bulge? If yes, will they bulge equally? Explain your answer. इसका आंसर होगा yes, both balloons will bulge. However, the lower balloon will bulge more than the upper balloon because liquid pressure increases with depth. Therefore, the balloon at the lower position experiences greater pressure. Eighth question, explain how a storm becomes a cyclone. इसका आंसर है when warm moist air rises rapidly, it creates a low pressure region. More air rushes towards this region. Due to the Earth's rotation, the air begins to spin As the process continues, strong winds, heavy rainfall, and rotation intensify, forming a cyclone. Ninth, in figure shows trees along the sea coast in a summer afternoon. Identify which side is land, A or B. Explain your answer. इसका आंसर होगा साइड A is the sea and B is the land. इसका रीजन है ड्यूरिंग अ समर आफ्टरनून सी ब्रीज ब्लोज फ्रॉम द सी टुवार्ड्स द लैंड. द रीजन बेंड इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड इंडिकेटिंग दैट द wind is blowing from side A to B. Question 10. Describe an activity to show that the air flows from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. इसका आंसर है take an empty plastic bottle and squeeze it, then release it. Observation. Air rushes into the bottle when it is released. इसका conclusion है air moves from the outside region of higher pressure to the inside region of lower pressure. 11th. What is a thunderstorm? Explain the process of its formation. इसका आंसर है a thunderstorm is a storm accompanied by thunder, lightning, strong winds, and heavy rain. Formation. The sun heats the earth's surface. Second, warm moist air rises upward. Third, the rising air cools and condenses into cloud. Fourth, large cumulus clouds form. Fifth, strong upward and downward air currents develop. Sixth, lightning, thunder, heavy rain, and strong wind occur. Question 12. Explain the process that occurs lightning. इसका आंसर होगा ड्यूरिंग अ थंडरस्टॉर्म collision between water droplet and ice particle create electric charges. Positive and negative charges separate within clouds. When the charge difference become very large, a sudden electric discharge occur between the cloud and or between a cloud and the earth. This discharge is called lightning. Question 13. Explain why holes are made in a banners and hoardings. इसका आंसर है holes are made in banners and hoardings to allow air to pass through them. This reduces wind pressure on the banner and prevents it from being damaged or blown away from by strong winds. तो अब हम करेंगे इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज प्रेशर? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, फोर्स एक्टिंग पर यूनिट एरिया. Second, what is the SI unit of pressure? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, पास्कल. थर्ड, एयर प्रेशर इज कॉज्ड बाय. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, वेट ऑफ एयर. फोर्थ, विंड ब्लोज फ्रॉम. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर. फिफ्थ, प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय अ लिक्विड एक्शन. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, ऑल डायरेक्शंस. क्वेश्चन 6, वाटर प्रेशर एट ग्रेटर डेप्थ इज. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, मोर. Question 7, why are school bag straps made broad? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, टू रिड्यूस प्रेशर ऑन शोल्डर. Question 8, cyclones generally form over. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, seas and oceans. Question 9, the center of the cyclone is called. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, आई. Question 10, the weather in the eye of the cyclone is. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, calm. Question 11, a thunderstorm includes. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, all of these. Question 12, lightning is form of. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, electric discharge. Question 13, sea breeze blows during the. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, डे. Land breeze blows during the. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, नाइट. Question 15, why is the base of dam made wider? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, to withstand greater pressure. Question 16, what usually happens when a cyclone reaches land? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, it becomes weaker. Question 17, what should people do when a cyclone warning is issued? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, move to a safer place. Question 18, which is the safest place during lightning? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, inside a building. Question 19, why can strong wind blows away roofs? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. Question 20, which area are most affected by cyclones? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, coastal regions. तो यहाँ पे ये वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 7 करवाऊंगी. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.